Hello, I'm David Hester. This is the Bible Health 101 show. Thanks so much for listening in today. As promised, today we're going to talk about circuit training. Now, circuit training is one of the fastest growing forms of exercise ever, okay? And the reason's pretty simple, okay? Because it's combining resistance exercises with aerobic exercises, and it only takes 30 minutes to do, okay? And there's circuit training centers all over the country, and they normally have anywhere from 12 to 24 stations that are arranged in a circular pattern, in some large room, okay? And some of the machines are resistance machines, and they target a specific muscle group, and then uh, they these resistance machines are neat because they incorporate hydraulic engineering. Okay, and so the faster you try to move, the machine, the more resistance that you're going to receive. So then the rest of the stations would be aerobic. Okay, they're like mini trampolines that you would jump on to elevate your heart rate. While you're waiting to move to the next resistance station. So. Um, you would you'd start your workout at, whatever they've designated to be the first station, and then you'd stay on that machine for 1 minute, okay? And most of the facilities that have this type of training, have really upbeat like dance music going on that helps you to stay in the mood to exercise, and then they have this audio system that says to change stations. So every minute you'll be changing stations based on the cue from the audio system. So then you move to the next station, and you're then you get directed to do it again. And so the equipment is set up in alternating patterns of resistance and aerobics training. Now, there's all kinds of advantages to circuit training. Okay, uh, you one of the advantages would be that you'd get both resistance workout and an aerobic workout, and that's only in 30 minutes time. Okay, the training centers are normally pretty convenient. They're not like the big mega gyms. You can get right up to the place. Park right in front, and you can get right in and right out. Within your time frame, and um, they're great because each machine targets a different muscle. So uh, you can get strength for your entire body in one workout. Okay, and there's bunches of advantages, like it gets your heartbeat pumping, okay, which means you'll be burning a lot of calories, okay. The hydraulic equipment would automatically adjust, okay, in order to accommodate your level of ability, okay. So if you need more resistance, the machine knows that already, and so you don't have to take your time setting up your free weights, or saying that's too much weight, and adjusting a machine. It'll just do it for you. It's really easy to learn this type of training. It provides a fun and exciting workout, okay, because the music is so upbeat, and you know uh, which increases your energy, and it takes your mind off of all of the exercising that you're doing. So it makes the workout to seem easier, okay? And it's also safer than using free weights. And, well, I mean, just think about it. The weights won't fall on you. You don't need a spotter, okay? So, basically, if you're interested in maximum muscle growth, then you should do the training that I've talked about previously, called super slow training. Okay, but most people, um, the circuit training is going to give you the ample resistance exercises, and it's going to give you your cardio benefits. So Thanks so much for listening to the Bible Health 101 show. You can visit my website at www.biblehealth101.com. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below the video. God bless you.